Mid-Engine Squad. It's your boy Fiero Boy. This is coming back with a brand new video. So in today's video, we actually going to be doing something different. I know I have never done an unboxing on my video. So please, if you do not follow me on YouTube, Snapchat, or TikTok, please do so at FieroBoy_86. Also, please follow me on my brand new Instagram page at 214 Fiero Guy. And if you have not already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell, because I'm the only guy that's gonna bring you Pontiac Fiero footage, Chevrolet Corvette footage, and all other classic cars that you don't see footage as well. And also, please triple smash that like button for your boy, man, because y'all already know. Hey, man, I'm gonna come with the swag, y'all feel me? All right, y'all. So today we actually gonna be doing an unboxing. So first, I'm gonna do the unboxing first, and then I'm gonna end up showing y'all where y'all can go get this part at. Now, today what the unboxing is going to be unveiling is actually a headlight motor rebuild kit. So let me go ahead and grab that for y'all so we can go ahead and take a look at it. All right, y'all. So, where I actually got this from, I actually got this right here from the Fiero Store, which I will be showing y'all in this video on where you can go buy it at for like your Fiero, because they still do actually make kits like to rebuild your headlight motors. If you don't want to go, like a different route in the headlights, you can actually still rebuild your own headlight motor. All right, y'all, so this right here is gonna end up being the headlight motor rebuild kit. So I did get a double up on it because I will be actually swapping out both of them at the same time, just to give y'all, just to show y'all that the way my headlights are working then, and then the way my headlights are working now. And so the reason why I'm actually showing y'all this video is to give y'all a clear understanding that you still can find these kits online for your car. Now, you actually got 2 to 3 different places that you can actually go to get these headlight motor rebuild kits. The first gonna be the Fiero Store at the FieroStore.com. You can also do Rodney Dickman Store. That right there is RodneyDickman.com. And then you can also go to like eBay, or you can also go through Amazon. I think Amazon probably have it, but this right here is my headlight motor rebuild kit. So basically, you got your gear. So like, I will be showing y'all in a future video when I start working on my headlight motors. I will be showing y'all in that video like where everything actually goes on the headlight motor. So I got so as y'all can tell, I did double up right here. So you got like your brushes, your screws, and everything to rebuild your headlight motor kit in this one, which most likely is gonna either be right or left, or driver side or passenger side. And then I also did double up, which is this right here. And as y'all can tell right there, and see the actual packaging, it'll be right there, and it'll say 84 through 88, I believe. 86 headlight motor rebuild kit. So right there and everything. And so my thing is with this, do it while you can. Now I will say, actually go buy other kits as well and just horse it. The reason why I say that is because the main thing is you don't want to get stranded with just one headlight. I mean, that right there is the major thing. It is so easy to do. It's not hard. All your pieces and parts are there. And like I was saying, I will be showing y'all in the future video on how to put everything together. My biggest thing for this is I want my headlight kit to be lasting me for a long time. I mean, cause I know I'm gonna be driving my car to like different places, you know, far out. So I need both of my headlight motors to be on point, popping up, everything. Cause I tell y'all, you know, you don't want to get stuck with just one headlight, you know what I'm saying? Which in the Fiero, they gonna never happen, but I'm just saying, you know. And so I'm actually about to start showing y'all where y'all can actually buy this kit. Please let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about this. Like, cause I like to actually hear y'all feedback. I think like a lot of people be interested in you know, in what they say in my comments, and I do like it. So definitely just let me know what y'all think about this video and this headlight motor kit. All right, so let me go ahead and get into showing y'all where to go for buying this headlight motor kit. All right, y'all. All right, y'all. So whenever you get ready to look for your headlight motors, the first place I would recommend you to go to is the Fiero Store. Now, go into your browser and type in the FieroStore.com, and you should see this page right here. All right, so whenever we get ready to look at this, all right, you're gonna go right here over to the left corner, and you're gonna zoom in. And so when you zoom in, you should see all of your things from new parts all the way down to weather stripping. Okay, so like the next thing you're gonna end up doing is going to electrical, right? When you go into electrical, you're gonna go to headlamps. Now, whenever you're going to headlamps, you're gonna zoom in, and this is what you should see on your page, which is that one. That right there, and like right here, this right here is for 87, 88. If you're looking to rebuild that, the pins is right here, the gaskets is right here. Everything you're looking for is all right here, up on this page right here. And you'll basically just select what you're looking for. So you have your relay. You have like your relay right here. Then you have a relay right here. Things like that. My best suggestion is to click up on this rebuild kit with gears. Okay, and it's gonna tell you that. So just check that out. Okay, and then you'll go into there. Okay, so then you'll go right here where it says choose one. And so this is what you should be seeing on your page when you are looking to buy for both headlight motors. So for the driver's side and for the passenger side. Now, my biggest suggestion is to buy for both. So then they can both work at the same time. But at the same time too, if there's only one out, then you can just buy single. You don't have to buy double. But the reason why I bought a pair is because I'm going to replace both of my headlight motors. So I'm going to restore both of them. So you'll click on this. All right, and so you should go back where you was. So right here, and you end up hitting it. Okay. All you got to do is just add it to your cart. Okay, when you add it to your cart, y'all, so when you add it to your cart, it's gonna show right up here at the top. So I don't want people, oh my God, well, I can't even find it. It's right there, right at the top. It's gonna say one item. All right. Now also too, just remember you also got a number right here too that you can call if you was looking to rebuild your headlight motors or any other questions that you have for the Fiero store. They will be glad to answer your questions. So that's why I actually deal with them, you know, and things like that. So that right there is one of the stores, and I'm about to show y'all the other store. All right, y'all. So we have another store, which is going to be called Rodney Dickman. Now, what Rodney Dickman deals with, he don't just deal with Fieros. He deal with other cars as well, to where you'll be able to buy these headlight motors and anything else from those type of parts and stuff like that. Now, with that right there being said, Rodney Dickman and the Fiero store are probably the two best places to go if you're looking to buy anything Fiero wise. Now, you do have other places. You do have the Fiero factory, which is the Fiero junkyard out in Torrey, Alabama. So you do have that. You also got the eBay, and you also got the Amazon and things like that. But those two places, and also too, you actually got other places too, like Fiero Warren, and you got some other Fiero stores out there. So my best suggestion is just to check out the other stores and see what they have, just so you will be able to buy other Fiero parts if they got some. All right, y'all. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna scroll down, okay, until you end up seeing this part of the page. This part of the page is showing you anything and everything from gears to everything. All right, so you're gonna go down and see like the gas tanks right there, stuff like that, electrical. So see right here, so like the electrical stuff right here, headlight motor control kit, stuff like that. And you do have that. I don't think you do have any of that. So get out of there and go to headlight gears. So as you can tell, what I just bought from the Fiero store, you have it right here as well. And so like this right here, like your later model motors. Yeah, like your things like that. And so those right there are, so those are probably like two best places I can suggest to y'all. And so you're gonna click on it. And so it's gonna end up showing you about what it is. Okay, and so the rebuild motor is it's $39.95 on Rodney Dickman. Okay. And it's showing you like where it goes and everything. See right there, it's also showing you that if your gear is stripped. All right, y'all. So let's go back real quick. And so, all right, y'all. All right, y'all. So if you're looking to buy headlight motor rebuild kits, those are the two best places I can recommend to you. Now with that right there being said, like I said earlier in the video, I will be doing a video on how to rebuild them. And then I'm also gonna be doing some other videos as well, dealing with the tail lights as well. All right, y'all, please like, comment, subscribe, and share up on this video. Please let me know what you think about this video down in the comment section. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on bringing y'all Fiero content because I am that guy for y'all. All right, y'all. Well, it's your boy Fiero Boy 86, and I'm out.